In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LG soundbar to TV wireless. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which soundbar model you have from LG or which TV model or brand you have, you will be able to set up your soundbar wirelessly. So this will be done using Bluetooth. So most modern soundbars which are meant to be connected wirelessly will use Bluetooth technology. So you must make sure that your TV supports Bluetooth audio devices. So to set this up, go into the settings of your TV and look through these settings. What you need to find is the option to connect a new sound output device. So if you have a Samsung Smart TV, for example, you go into the settings and you choose the second category, sound. Inside of sound, you will find sound output. If your TV differs from this, then you will have to look through other menus. Sadly, for this video, I cannot cover every single one of them. But if you go under sound output for a Samsung TV, one of the options is going to be Bluetooth speaker list, which allows you to pick a speaker that is connected over Bluetooth. So now you need to set your soundbar into pairing mode. Again, this is going to differ for every single soundbar model. Most models should include a remote, and it is going to have a pair button with a Bluetooth icon like this one. So it is either going to say pair or it's going to have the Bluetooth symbol. All that you have to do in this case is to press this button for a few seconds, and pairing mode should be enabled immediately after. Once pairing mode has been enabled, the soundbar will appear on this list with the message needs pairing. And all that you have to do now is choose it from the list. Immediately upon selecting this soundbar, it will remain connected, and all of the audio being output on your Samsung TV or any other model or brand of TV will go over to the soundbar that you connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect LG soundbar to TV wireless. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.